Hare Krishna. I'm reading 8 verses in glorification of Shri Govinda Dev by Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur Maharaj. So these 8 verses are very much useful verses, and anyone who reads this and meditates on the lotus feet of Lord Govind is given a mercy by the Lord Himself. So let us chant for such a Govind Dev who is our shelter. So the verse is like this: Jambu nados nish virachi mukta mala manidyoti shikhanda kasya bhangya nam lolupayana drishya Shri Govinda Devasa Sharanam Mamastu. May Lord Govind Dev, who charms the eyes of all living beings with the graceful movement of the peacock feather in his golden crown, shining with pearls and gems, be our shelter. May Lord Govind Dev Kapolayo Kundala Lasyahasya Chavichata Chumbitayor Yugena Sammohayan Sambhajatam Dhiya Shri Govinda Dev Sharanam Mamastu. May Lord Govinda Dev, who charms the hearts of the devotees with his cheeks, which are kissed by the splendor of his smile and the dancing of his earrings, be my shelter. स्वप्रेयसी लोचनकोनसिधु प्राप्ते पुरोवर्ति जनेकसनेन भवां कमपि उद्गमयन् बुधं नम्. Govinda Deva Sharanam Mamastu. May Lord Govinda Dev, who by glimpsing at his beloved to attain her nectarian sidelong glance, provoke the love of all the demigoddesses, be my shelter. वामप्रगर्पित गद्द भास्वत तटंक लोललक कांतिशिखते भ्रुवल्गनैर उन्मादय कुलस्त्रीर गोविंद देव शरणं ममस्तु. May Lord Govind Dev, who entices the pious cowherd girls with the charming movements of his eyebrows, which are enhanced by the beauty of his moving locks of hair, lustrous earrings, and his cheek placed upon his left shoulder, be my shelter. दूरे स्थितश्च मुरलीनिनदै स्वसौरभैरमुद्रितकर्णफली नसहृदयहृद्गता एव कर्षण गोविन्ददेवशरणं ममस्तु. He enters into the hearts of the cowherd damsels and draws them to him, though they stand afar, blocking their ears from the sound of his flute and their noses from the wonderful scent of his body. May Lord Govind Dev be my shelter. नवीन लावण्य भरैषितौ श्रीरूप रूपानुर गंभ निधि प्रकाशे सतश्चमत्कारवता प्रकुर्वन् Govinda Dev Sharanam Mamastu. He fills the devotees on earth with astonishment by the weight of his youthful beauty and the unlimited ocean of his love. May Lord Govind Dev be my shelter. कल्पद्रुमदो मणिमन्दिरान्त श्रीयोगपिताम्बुरु हस्यय स्वाम् उपस्यंस्तत्र विदोऽपि मन्त्रैर गोविन्ददेव शरणं ममास्तु. Those learned in the scriptures worship him with mantras as he sits in the lotus like Yogapita in a gem-studded palace. Yogapita in a gem studded palace beneath a grove of wish fulfilling trees. May Lord Govind Dev be my shelter. महाभिषेक क्षण सर्ववासो लङ्कृताङ्गीकरणोच्छलन्त्य सर्वाङ्गभास कुलयं स्त्रिलोकं Govindadev Sharanam Mamastu. He is the handsome god of love, Ananga, and is dressed and decorated as if for a royal coronation. He enthralls all the residents of the three worlds with his beautiful form. May Lord Govind Dev be my shelter. गोविंद देवाष्टकम् एतदुच्चे पठेत तदीयाङ्घ्रि निविष्टधीरया तं मज्जयन् एव कृपा प्रवाहैर् गोविंद देव शरणं ममास्तु. One who reads aloud this Govinda Ashtakam and meditates on Lord's lotus feet is thrown into a river of mercy by the Lord Himself. May Lord Govind Dev be my shelter. With these prayers, I end here, and then we keep the Lord in our heart and always beg for His mercy and just make our life successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.